Welcome guys, here we are unboxing and having a quick review of our C1200 wireless dual band gigabit router from TP-Link. Comes with 3 years warranty and cost about 3000 Indian rupees. This is based on 802.11 AC networking standards. It means it offers a combined speed of 1200 Mbps. One at 2.4 GHz with a speed up to 300 Mbps, while another at 5 GHz with a speed up to 867 Mbps. This router features 3 external antennas, 4 gigabit LAN ports and 1 gigabit WAN port, which means that it supports an internet speed up to 1000 Mbps over a wired network. And this has one USB port which allows the users to share files over the FTP, and also features the support for hosting a local media server for sharing photos and videos from the pen drive or an external hard drive. This being one of the cheapest gigabit router with 3 years of warranty, packed with reasonable number of features. Let's start unboxing. The packaging seems to be similar across all the TP-Link products. Comes with the router itself, along with their power brick and a quick installation guide and copy of license agreement, as well as the LAN cable. The body is completely made up of plastic, and this has got 3 flexible external antennas, series of LEDs at the front, and at bottom comes with a wall mounting grills, a power socket, switch, reset pinhole, USB with a WAN port and 4 LAN port, and a multifunctional button to turn on turn off Wi-Fi, as well as used for WPS. Here I am using Hathway FiberNet connection, which offers me internet at 150 Mbps speed. Here I have connected my router to a modem through a provided network cable. Using a phone or a tablet, we can scan the QR code and install a Tether app, and this works pretty well on iOS and Android devices. This allows us to configure the router very easily. Once application is installed, just open and follow the instructions. Make sure the router is turned on and LEDs have turned on.